think I invented a new way to start a crochet project. A foundation single crochet that's strong, stretchy, and quick to work. I don't think I'm going to be making foundation chains ever again. To pull off this technique, we need to start with a yarn tail that is 3 times the desired length of your project. And that is where you'll put your slip knot. Go ahead and place the slip knot on your hook. With your tail on the outside and the working yarn on the inside, grab your strands and separate them with your index finger and thumb to get positioned like so. Work your hook under the strand in front of your thumb, over the strand behind your thumb, yarn over with the strand coming from your index finger, and bring it through the loop on your thumb. Then you can drop the loop off your thumb and tighten it up. With 2 loops on your hook, yarn over with the back strand and pull through the 2 loops on your hook. And there's your first little stitch. And you can do it again. Make your little slingshot under the front strand, over the back strand, grab the index finger yarn, pull through the loop on your thumb, tighten it up. And I like to hold on to that little nubbin of my work so it doesn't get twisted or anything. 2 loops on your hook, yarn over with the back strand, and pull through 2. If you're familiar with knitting, this is basically the long tail cast on with a little crochet twist. And as complicated as it looks, once you get the hang of this long tail slingshot method, it can go really fast. And I find this a much faster way to do a foundation single crochet than the traditional way. Best of all, the gauge of that chain on the bottom stays really consistent because we form it on the neck of your crochet hook. So each chain takes advantage of the full diameter of the hook itself. No more too tight or too loose chains. And you can go ahead and work to your desired stitch count or until your tail runs out. And there is your beautiful, stretchy and sturdy foundation chain with clear V-shaped stitches on top ready to work into. You can use it just like a row of crochet. Chain 1, turn, and begin working into the stitches as you normally would. And I love how many common foundation chain problems this immediately takes care of. Nothing's too tight or too loose. It really has great structure for the edge of any project. But what I think one of the coolest prospects is, rather than chaining and turning, you can chain and tilt and work along the bottom, because the underside is just as easy to work into as those top stitches. Working into it just like a foundation chain. And the piece that this creates is really cool. It has complete stitches on either side. So this would be a great way to start out something circular, like the bottom of a bag or a shoe sole, or even a flat piece if you want a really nice edge, or something that's easy to seam later. So that's my long tail cast on crochet foundation edge. Let me know if you think it's as cool as I do, because I think this is how I'm going to be starting my projects from now on. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye!